Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add YouTube to taskbar. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and you just need to search for youtube.com and press enter. After entering YouTube site, click on the three dot icon on the right and scroll down and select save and share. On left side you can able to see install YouTube option. Select it and select install option. Now the YouTube app has been installed guys. Would you like to pin YouTube to your taskbar? If you want to add YouTube to taskbar, you can select yes to add this, and after that just click on the YouTube icon in the taskbar, and that's how you add YouTube to taskbar. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.